And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Enjoy! Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to make Puto cheese. Here are the things we need: flour, baking soda,
Egg and sugar.
okay, and water, vanilla extract, milk, cheese, and butter, melted butter, and the Puto molders. Mix all the dry ingredients. First, we're going to put the flour. Whoa! Whoa, smoke! And then the sugar. Slowly. It looks like Rex. Tap it a little bit more. Slowly. Okay, a little bit more. And then baking powder.
Yeah.
It didn't make any sound. And then we mix it together.
Yeah, you
Like this.
mix it.
Like this. Mix it like this.
Yeah. Super.
Make sure to mix it very well, so it will be very yummy.
Yeah.
Then set aside. Second thing to do is to mix all the wet ingredients. First, put the egg. Ooh. Then the milk. Ooh. And then you mix them together. Whoa. And next, you put the water. And then the vanilla extract. So little.
I think that's enough.
Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Mix it like this.
Fine.
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Ooh, it smells so good. Mmm.
Yeah, it does. Mmm, smells so good.
Mmm, you're right.
Put in the butter. Whoa.
So cool.
Oh, it's making yellow dots, right?
Right. Geez, so many. When you mix it and stop, oh geez, so many.
Keep on mixing
Yeah.
till the yellow things are gone.
Yes.
Now we're done mixing the wet ingredients.
Yeah.
Now mix the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients.
Yeah. Ooh. This looks like pancake.
Yeah, I know, right? Now let's mix it. It smells so good.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah.
Now we need to put oil on the Puto molders.
Yes. Oh, there's an app.
so much. Make sure to put oil, but not too much, okay? And up to the next one. Do you know why you need to put oil on these?
Why?
So the puto will not stick.
Oh.
Okay. We're done putting oil. So now we need to put the puto mixture inside.
Wait, I just forgot. If you are doing this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get on in the video. Wow.
We need to put the cheese on the top of the puto mixture.
Yeah.
Okay. Go, PG.
I'm gonna go.
Now we're ready to steam it.
For the kids out there,
Please ask your parents or any guardian to help you with the steaming. Don't forget, steam it for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now, so let's check on it. It looks so yummy. Let's try one, shall we? Are the finished products. Hey guys, we hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye!